have a love-hate relationship with Pinterest these days, mainly due to AI. This is what my Pinterest feed has started to look like, and to be honest, it's really depressing. I love coming to Pinterest to find inspiration and new ideas. I teach beginner sewing tutorials here on YouTube, and I'm always looking for new fun projects to teach you. So this is not ideal. However, Pinterest has done a few things to make themselves a little better, and I am very thankful to Pinterest for this. So as you can see on this image here, they've started to put AI modified on some of their images. However, it's not very good. Most of the pictures on my feed are still not marked as AI modified when I know full well that they are. So another thing that they've done is something that you can change in your settings. So I'm going to walk you through all of that, and then afterwards I'm going to tell you what I think of that and a few extra little tips and tricks along the way that you can do to save yourself from feeling scammed on Pinterest. Starting at your home page, you will see an arrow on the top right-hand side of your screen. Click on that and then click on Settings. Then on the left-hand side of your screen, you'll see Refine Your Recommendations. Click on that. Then along the top edge there, you'll see a bunch of different words, one being Gen AI Interests. Click there. Then you will see a whole bunch of tabs that you will get to choose whether or not you want them on or off for all of that AI content. I don't want any AI content, so I clicked them all off. So once you've done that, I found it wasn't automatic. I found it took a little bit for my Pinterest algorithm to figure out that I'd clicked all of those settings on. I must admit I've also gone to particular images that I just know full well are scams, or if they're not scams, they're just AI garbage that I don't want to see. I've clicked on the three little dots underneath the photo, and depending on whether you're on your phone or you're on your computer, it might look a little bit different, and you'll be able to check off not interested in type of posts, or you can even flag it as a scam post. So I've done that a few times, and I feel like that has also helped my algorithm kind of reset to seeing normal content again, which is thrilling. However, I did want to tell you, if you are brand new to sewing, a lot of these images can trick you. If you've sewn a little bit, you'll catch on to a few things. However, AI has gotten really good. I went into ChatGPT and I gave it some parameters to make me an image of a rag quilt, and this is what they gave me. I can't tell you anything wrong with this image. That's frightening. However, I also went to ChatGPT and I tried to get it to make me a duffel bag. And if you look closely at the duffel bag image, you can tell that it's errored in the zipper itself, and only half of the patchwork blocks are quilted in the same way. A normal duffel bag just wouldn't look like that. I also found an image here. This is a jean purse, and it looked really cool, and I think I'm going to try and do a tutorial walking you through the steps of making this. I think it can be done. However, this is not real. And if you zoom in, you can tell because there's a weird zipper flap just hanging out of the middle of the purse. It doesn't belong there. It won't be there if you make it. And of course, the other thing that I've noticed on Pinterest is they'll give you a beautiful AI something that you can sew yourself. And here's the pattern pieces. And if you look at the pattern pieces, this bunny, for example, the ears are nicely pointed, but then in the pattern, the ears are completely rounded. That's not the right pattern. You will not be able to make that with whatever that pattern is. And this apron, same thing. You can tell that the apron doesn't match the pattern that they're showing you. And on top of it, if you look at the photo even closer, the ties on the apron just like disappear. It's so weird. I hope that you'll run to your Pinterest feed and also fix your feed. I hope that you guys have a wonderful day. And of course, if you do love beginner sewing tutorials, stick around, hit subscribe, and of course, if you like this video, hit that thumbs up button. All right, I'll see you later. Bye for now.